Hi guys, it's Meaty985 here, and today I'll be showing you my snapper lawnmower, lawn tractor, and it has an 8-horse pull start Tecumseh. It's 5 gears as most snappers do, and it's really nice shifter. It's really smooth. And original seat, a little bird poop or something. Original seat, original, I don't know, probably not original tires, but they're getting old. Someone repainted it because there's no snapper sticker, or maybe it was painted over. I wish they didn't, but it was probably bad if they had to paint it, you know. It's missing one half of that steering bar cover, so I just took it off. It wasn't worth it. So, yeah, let's get it started. Let me put you guys down for... Oh, not really. I can do it. Oh, wait. It's not very fast. It's extremely slow, actually. I think there's something wrong with the transaxle disc. You know, the rubber wheel, the friction wheel. I think it's having a problem with gaskets. No, I know it's having a problem with the gaskets because I think they're leaking oil from either here, and here. I think it's a combination of two. I think it's this one and the head. And they're not leaking that bad, but it's just annoying, you know. And yeah. Thanks.